Hello friends, how are you? Today we will solve a nice exponential problem. Here given that 4 to the power x minus to the power x equal to 1. Here we can do that to the power 2 square or to the power x minus to the power x equal to 1. Okay, and now we can write to the power x all square minus to the power x minus 1 equal to 0. Okay, and let to the power x equal to the power x equal to y. So we can write y square minus y minus 1 equal to 0. Okay, now we can write here a equal to 1, b equal to minus 1 and c equal to minus 1. So y equal to minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. Okay, we are putting the value of a, b and c. So minus and minus 1 plus minus root over minus 1 all square minus 4 into 1 into minus 1. Okay, by 2 into 1. Now we can write in 1 minus plus, so plus minus root over, here we can write 1 plus 4 by 2. Okay, now we can write 1 plus minus root 5 by 2. Okay, here y equal to 1 plus root 5 by 2. So to the power x equal to 1 plus root 5 by 2, or y equal to 1 minus root 5 by 2. Root 5 by 2. Here or to the power x equal to 1 minus root 5 by 2. Here is positive, so here is positive, here is positive, but it negative sign, so it is rejected. Reject. Okay, and it is accepted. Now we take log both sides, so log to the power x and log 1 plus root 5 by 2. Okay, we can write x equal to log 2, and here we can write log 1 plus root 5 minus log 2. Okay, now we can write here we divide log 2 both side x log 2 by log 2 equal to log 1 plus root 5 by log 2 minus log 2 by log 2. Cancel, so x equal to log 1 plus root 5 by log 2 minus 1. Log 2 minus 1, we know log 1 plus root 5 equal to 0.51 by log 2 equal to 301 minus 1. So here it is calculated. We get 0.6944. Okay, it is the value of x. To check for to the power x minus to the power x equal to 1, or for to the power 0.6944 minus to the power 0.6944 or to 1. Here 2.6186 it is can write here, and 6182 equal to 1. So by subtract we get 1.004 is equivalent to 1. So it is the answer equal to 0.6944. Okay, it is the solution of the equation. Okay, thank you. We will meet you next update video.